Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play games on Snapchat. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel if you guys are new to our channel, cause we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, hit that like and subscribe button. And let's start today's video. So to play games on Snapchat, now remember, you cannot play a massive game like GTA 5 or like those games which require high graphics game. The game is basically a game which you can play on Messenger when you video call with others. So it's basically like a camera game. So click on your camera icon. Once you click on your camera icon, you can click on this emoji over here. And after clicking on this emoji, if you scroll at the right side, then you can see all the filters. But remember, if you scroll on the left side, as you guys can see, these are all the games of Snapchat over here. So these are the only games. So these are all the games provided by Snapchat over here. You can see if I just hold on it, click on OK, and I'm playing a game. So I'm making a target, shooting it. So I'm targeting something. How do I play this game? Alright, let's target this bottle real quick. I don't know how I can play this game. I don't know how I can play this game. Close this. So that's basically how you play a game. Like, you know the gist, right? So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.